Whether you're a parent gearing up for the new school year or just someone that loves a good deal, you're gonna wanna shop with me today here at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna share with you some of my top items to get here for back to school. And with fall right around the corner, we're gonna check out their decorations and see how we can make our homes cozy and comfy on a budget. You need help in the kitchen? Organize your desk. A lot of their back to school items will help get you organized as well. Okay, come on, let's go check it out. So boom, right when I walk in, I am greeted with all the back to school supplies. This year, I'm seeing these weekly planners. This is a fun one for the kids, but ladies, there are some for you. These you can have laid out on your desk, tack it to your bulletin board, or have it magnetized and put it on your fridge. So this is one way that you can keep your week organized. So I spotted these planner stickers. Stickers are just another fun way to keep you motivated and be in your planner, and honestly, just to make it so dang pretty. I'm noticing a lot of sticky note options this year. These are way cute. But if you're doing a bulletin board or a family command center, these push pins this year are super cute. There's gold, velvet, clear, ones that look like pearls, and these ones with the fun sayings on them. Don't forget, yeah, I need that one. These are some of my favorite containers at the Dollar Tree. They remind me of the Sistema containers. They clip on the sides and they hold things so well. They're great to store all those school supplies like paper clips, those thumbtacks, erasers, staples. You can use them in the bathroom for like bobby pins and hair ties. These are great. These caddies are perfect for a portable homework station. Just fill it with pencils, pens, scissors, glue, rulers, markers, erasers, you name it. Then you can easily transport the caddy to anywhere in your home that your kids want to do their homework. So I was checking things out online, and right now during the back to school season, Walmart's got some really great deals going on. And there are a lot of the same items that you can get here, but they only have them on sale like that during the back to school season. So if you need any of this stuff during the school year, you're gonna save more here at the Dollar Tree. What the what? Scented jumbo crayons, Fruit Loops, Jolly Ranchers, Mike and Ike. Oh, I love Mike and Ike. That's one of my favorite candies. Okay, let's smell them. Yeah, they smell fruity. Interesting. Yeah, reminds me of being a kid in the 80s with all the scratch and sniff items, like the stickers. Oh my word, this is funny. There's so many things here for your junior high and high school students. And look at all these things for your phone. They can come here and grab their chargers, their pop sockets. The Dollar Tree has a lot of great items for school lockers. Things that are magnetizable, like this organizing bin, colorful pencil cups, magnets, and so much more. I swear every year their decor here at the Dollar Tree gets better and better. Quickly, let's look at the fall decor because it gives me all the feels and gets me ready for back to school, and it's so motivating. But when I'm decorating and I want to fill a little tier tray, I'm always going to the Dollar Tree. So I ended up snagging the gnome and this pumpkin sign to decorate my home this fall. Are you into gnomes? I am. I think they're so cute. My youngest is kind of nervous about them. It's so funny. These little block signs, yes, they're inexpensive, but they sure make the house feel cozy, and they just fill in a space so well. And they have all these cute wooden blocks that you can add to the tier trays for decorating. Now these signs are cute. Fall is in the air, harvest, and pumpkin spice for life. Oh yeah. I love getting packages like this with little pumpkins or acorns to help decorate my tier trays to just fill in that empty space. If you're into decorating tier trays, they have so many little knickknacks that are so cute for every season, but the ones for fall, oh, I end up getting way more of. I'm so into gnomes right now, they're so cute. Check out this fall candle holder that I found. Isn't that cute? I don't have a candle to put in it, but I used it as an accent piece in one of my tier trays. I'm always checking out the faux floral at the Dollar Tree. But look, it's amaranthus. Look how pretty and purple this is. This is gonna be gorgeous with all the rest of the fall decor that I have. The majority of my fake floral in my home that I decorate with is from here. So if you have more than one Dollar Tree in your area, go check them out. They're all a little different. I'm seeing different things at this location versus the other store I was at last time. Don't look now, but Halloween is here also at the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. These are cool candle holders, and they'll create the look of the haunted house all lit up. That's cute. Another great filler is this moss. I use it a lot in the fall. I use it to fill in all the spaces in my Halloween village. It makes it look so good. And I sprinkle it in a lot of my Halloween decor. This is coming with me. If you haven't seen my Halloween village, I'll leave some videos down below. It has grown over the years. I grab a little every year, and a lot of it started here at the Dollar Tree. So I find little knickknacks for it, little figurines, things like moss that just help bring in this ambiance. Their little Halloween lights work really good in the village. I am ready to start decorating and setting up for fall, back to school, Halloween. Yeah, let's bring it on. We all know that the Dollar Tree is known for their great bin selection. If you need to give your pantry a boost, these work great. So let's make a snack bin for the kids for back to school, filled with all the essentials you need, like fruit cups and goldfish and drinks, and even throw in some snack bags and sandwich baggies in here. They have this 8-pocket shoe organizer that you could put over your doors that work really great in your pantry to add more space, so you could put all their back to school snacks in there if you wanted to. Of course, their snack and sandwich baggies are $1.25 for a 50 count, but you're getting a better deal here if you just want the 50 count box, because at Walmart they're $1.98. But you are saving more money at Walmart if you get the 100 count box. Ends up being $1.12 for one of these 50 count boxes. These work great. I buy these snack baggies all the time. If you don't want to go the plastic bag route, then invest in some of these sandwich containers. I love the locks on the sides of these. They work so good. If you have younger kids, look at these Sesame Street containers. These are so cute. They have so many different type of bento style containers to choose from, and they're perfect for your school lunches, your work lunches. They have name brand containers like Rubbermaid, and these take-along containers work really good. They seal up, they're tight, and they're perfect for any make-ahead meal. And you can put these in your freezer. If you'd like to write your recipes down on index cards, grab them here at the Dollar Tree. You can get the 250 count, of course, for $1.25. At Walmart, the 100 count is 72 cents. After the back to school sales, you're going to be paying close to $4, $3.69. And you can get these containers that would hold the index cards so you can make your own recipe box. So I've been looking through their 3-ring binders. They're 1-inch binders, and they have such cute printed designs on them this year. Of course, they're great for the kids to keep them organized in school, but they're also great for you. I love using these binders to create a school binder that keeps all the kids' school schedules and information all together, so I don't have to go rummaging through all the paper. These binders are also great to put together a menu planner. I like to have my recipes that I print out in binders in certain categories. I could just go to the category I'm looking for instead of rummaging through recipes. Hey, I just found some really cool convenient items for your kitchen and bathroom. These pull-out bins with handles are great. A great way to divide things up in your refrigerator so things don't get lost. Use it for fruit, veggies, dairy, snacks in general. Their storage essential containers are great to organize your refrigerator on a budget. They have the soda can holder, and of course you can use it for more than just soda. They have quite a few fridge storage bins. They have this smaller one with the handle. It's more narrow. You can use things like this to store cheese and even little condiments. They even have a storage container for a dozen eggs with a flat lid. You could stack something else on top of it in your refrigerator to help you save space. Now this is new to me from Storage Essentials, is this large egg holder shelf. So it looks like you could use the side panels to slide onto your shelf so that it hangs. That is a great way to use your vertical space. So if you've tried this, will you let us know in the comments what you thought of it? So if you're looking to give your refrigerator a revamp and don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely check out the refrigerator storage bins here. From Cooking Concepts, they have these plastic veggie storage containers. They're BPA free, reusable, freezer and dishwasher safe. The sides lock. It looks like it would preserve them in the refrigerator for quite a while. If you use these, will you let us know in the comments what you thought of them, if they worked well? I'm so curious. They always have these great glass containers. You can organize with these throughout your whole home. This jar in particular, I love using in my bathroom. I store our Q-tips, our floss sticks. You can also store hair bands, bobby pins, cotton balls. These work out really great. The other thing I like about these jars is that there's an indent in the front of them, which is perfect to put a sticker on them and label them. These chalkboard stickers would work really great on it. You could use our chalk writer pen and write on there what it is. That would be super cute on these drawers. For your laundry, use these laundry essentials, the mesh laundry bags, and 3 come in a pack. I like using these for the small things in your laundry, but especially for my bras. So it keeps the straps from going underneath the agitator or wrapped around it. If you don't want to lose your socks or those little baby socks, throw them in there. And all you need to do is just toss it in your laundry. Also, take these when you go grocery shopping. Use them to bag up your produce. In your bedroom or closet, you can use this belt hanger organizer to store your necklaces. Now, I've used one like this in the past, but I spent way more money for it. And what else can you think of that you could use this for? I would love to know. Leave it in the comments. What are you seeing at your Dollar Tree right now that's going to help you in your home with meal planning, getting meals on the table, make ahead things in your refrigerator, or help you and your kids get ready for back to school? I would love to know. And if you need some recipe ideas for make ahead breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I got you covered. Click on these videos here and I'll meet you over there. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.